Hi everyone and welcome. So my name is Andreas and today we're gonna learn about this. Okay, so in this video I will teach you how you can add multiple pictures in your Instagram story in 2018. So there are two ways you can do this. So if you click on your Instagram story and you want to add another image next to this one, all you have to do is, you see this logo, your picture logo in the left corner, click on that one and this will open up the camera. So just take a new picture, add the story. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so now you have the new image in the story. Or if you want to add, you can just drag the image like this to the right and you're in the camera as well. Just take the picture and add the story. Okay everyone, so this is how you add multiple pictures on your Instagram story in 2018. Okay everyone, so I hope this was a helpful video. If you want, you can give thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video. You can also subscribe to my channel right here and check out my latest video right here. And if you want to hire me for social media management or marketing, just contact me. You find contact information in the description below. Alright, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.